Up here in the hinterlands, we like coffee with dinner. I'm a Jetboil fan, man, I tell you what. Hi, I'm Jim Markel with Red Oxx Manufacturing. It's nice to be able to just whip up a cup of coffee or a cup of tea right on the trail. We've done that. I was on a trip in Africa and we literally pulled off to the side of the road and one of the crew wanted a cup of tea, like right then and there. We just throw that up, set that up like that, throw some water in there, like so. I don't know if anybody's ever done French press in a Jetboil. Pretty easy, you fill it up about 3/4 of the way there. Turn on your gas. Hear the little roar of the flame. And Jetboil makes this groovy little accessory like so. Put this little rod here together, put it through the cap. Here's the screen. And that plunger, you push that plunger down just like a French press, works like a charm. So to make the water boil faster, you cover it. Over here we've got a bag of coffee and a couple mugs. Let the water boil first. And this is looking like very nice. Here, the aroma is good. And you can let this sit on cruise control on low heat, depending on how you like your cabbage. If you like it a little firm like this, I'd call that done. So to keep it, to hold it for service, just cover it up again tight. Turn off the flame, and that's good for 15 minutes or so. We get our coffee done here. These Jetboils don't mess around. That thing's just about ready to boil. Get your caffeine fix and your adventure on. That water is boiling. Turn the water off, then add your coffee. Nice, very scientifically, go in here and measure out just the right amount and then a little bit more. Then the next step is you get this thing sealed on here like so. Push it down just a little to where it all contacts the hot water and let it sit for about 3 minutes. Plunge it, serve it.